Hi everyone, it's Simon Keeling here at the Sailing Weather Information Service, sailingweather.co.uk and weatherweb.net. This is your sailing weekend and week ahead outlook brought to you on Thursday the 12th of June. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to go to the website for all the latest area forecasts. All you do is just click down the left hand side here on area forecasts, and there you can select any area forecast that you want for around the British Isles. Those forecasts updated throughout the day, so please do take advantage of the service that's on offer there. Now then, as far as the winds go for Friday, high pressures across the south of the country. That's going to be bringing a north to northeasterly flow through the channel. I think speeds here probably blowing at around 3 across English coast, but nearer 5 across the northern French coast during Friday afternoon. And watch out for sea breezes developing as well during the afternoon in England. Through the Irish Sea, southwest England, generally a west-southwesterly at a 2 or a 3, but speeds increasing in the north of the Irish Sea to a 4. And for western Scotland, we're looking here generally at a westerly wind, probably blowing at around a force 3. Quite variable across northern Scotland at 2s to 3s. Eastern Scotland, we're looking quite variable as well at a 2 to 3. Eastern parts of England, mainly a westerly at a 3, but watch for sea breezes in the afternoon. Some showers as well moving into eastern areas through the afternoon. Moderate to poor visibility for western Scotland thanks to outbreaks of rain. And then on to Saturday, high pressure out towards the west on Saturday. Got this weak front that's lying through the country as well. That's going to be bringing quite a brisk northeasterly breeze across the eastern channel, blowing at a 4, possibly even a 5 through the Straits on Saturday. Bits and pieces of drizzle too, moderate visibility in the eastern channel. Western channel, mainly a northerly here, 4 along English coasts. 5 though across northern French coast, and I think across southwest England, northerly here, 4. Could it get to the low end of a 5? Don't rule it out completely. Through the Irish Sea, southern Irish Sea, we're looking at 4s. I think northern Irish Sea generally a north-northwesterly at a 3, and for western Scotland, we're looking northwesterly here at a 3. Eastern parts of Scotland generally northerly at a 2 to a 3. Eastern coast of England coming in as a northeasterly at 3, but a 4 the further south you go. Feeling quite chilly in that wind as well, particularly across eastern and southern coasts of the country. And then for Sunday, high pressure still to the west of Ireland. Look, we've got this north and northeasterly flow affecting many areas. I think the eastern channel again going to be seeing a northeasterly 6 here. 6 is across most of the northern coast of France. Could it get to a 7? Well, it may just get to the low end of a 7 across exposed headlands of northern France, given that direction. Southern coast of England, more generally a northeasterly here at a 4 to a 5 throughout the day. Southwestern coast of England, northwesterlies at 4s, possibly touching a 5. The Irish Sea, generally northeasterlies here at around a 4. Western Scotland, northerly at a 3. Eastern Scotland, northerly at a 3 or a 4. I think for Eastern England, northerly here at 3s and 4s as well. And then on to Monday, and high pressure still centred towards the northwest of Ireland, but just look, this northeasterly flow continues to blow 6s through the Straits. I think 6s across northern coast of France. Still got a question mark over whether it could get to a 7. Across southern coast of England, generally northeasterlies overall at 4s to 5s once again. Through the Irish Sea, southwesterlies here at northeasterlies at 4, so northeasterly 4 through the Irish Sea. Western parts of Scotland generally in north to northwesterly at a 3, Eastern Scotland northerly at a 3, and Eastern England we're going to be looking here at a northerly at a 3 too. Just watch for the risk of some showers affecting parts of the Irish Sea, briefly reducing visibility there. And then on to Tuesday, high pressure by then west of Scotland, but the main feature is going to be down to the south. Look, the isobars close together down here, so breezy conditions. We're going to be looking at a northeasterly at a 6, I think, through much of the channel. Again, question marks over whether it could get as high as a 7 across northern coast of France. 5s, possibly even 6s for southern coast of England, but I think a 5 is more likely. We're looking at east-northeasterlies to northeasterlies at a 5 or a 6 in the southern Irish Sea, probably a 4 or a 5 in the northern Irish Sea, and just variable 2s and 3s for western Scotland. Eastern Scotland, northwesterlies here at a 2 or a 3. Eastern coast of England, we're looking northeasterly to northerly here at around a 3 or a 4, but becoming 5 the further south you head. So it looks as if we are going to be turning breezier as the weekend progresses and into the earlier part of next week. But, of course, you can get the very latest information. Go to sailingweather.co.uk, and as I showed you earlier, use the area forecast, and we'll keep you updated right through on that service. But for now, whatever you're doing, please do tell your friends and sailing colleagues about this service. Tell your clubs and tell your marinas too. So, for now, thanks for watching. Whatever you're doing, keep the sun shining, and bye for now.